Motors family. This is the 1999 Nissan Elgrand. It is a 4x4. It comes with 32,413 original miles. It is powered by the reliable VG33 3.3 liter 6-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. This Elgrand is also 4-wheel drive. It does come with 2 doors alongside with 1 rear sliding door and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. Alright, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. Alright, this vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles. So the number that y'all are seeing down here, 52,163. That is the kilometers. The miles on it again is 32,413. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicle across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos or deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We would be happy to answer any questions that you may have. I do want to tell you guys, thank you so much for the continual support. We really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. I hope y'all have a blessed and safe day.